Well, I'm back again. This is another version of Sharp Auto Body Mythbusters. This is another version of Sharp Auto Body Mythbusters. So I'm going to leave that in there because what the heck? We're all human and we all make mistakes. What I wanted to talk about today was the myth that all body shops are the same or all body shops are equal. I can tell you that I don't know that I even need to go into much detail here, but I'm going to because some people think that they are. And some people think that when the insurance company is sending them to a body shop, that's equal to a body shop that they could choose someplace else. So here's a couple of things you need to know. Obviously, all body shops are not equal. All body shops are not the same. That's like saying McDonald's is the same as Burger King and Burger King is the same as Taco Bell. And they're all fast food restaurants. Are they equal? No, they're different. They're unique. They all have different things to offer. And they do things in a different way. And if you were to put all of those up against like a Ruth Chris Steakhouse or a Ditka's Steakhouse or something like that, obviously there's no comparison in what you're going to get and the quality of the food. So the same thing's true of a body shop. Here's a couple of great things to think about and keep in mind in the event that you should need a body shop. One, ask people, everybody that you know, friends, relatives, family, co-workers, ask them, hey, I've been in an accident. Who would you recommend? If one or two names pop up, that's giving you a really good indication, or pop up the most, I should say. You'll probably get a variety, but there'll be one or two that'll come to the top with the most. That's a great place to start. Another place to go in today's world is go to the internet and check out reviews. What are people saying about this shop? What are the people's experiences? The other thing is go to their website and see what they involve, what do they offer, all those kinds of things. Keep in mind that I've said this too many times to count, but it always bears repeating. Keep in mind when the insurance company is sending you someplace, they're always, always, always looking for the cheapest price for them. When an insurance company sends you to a body shop, they don't care about you. That's a hard, cold fact, and I could show you claim after claim after claim with paperwork until the end of time. They care about themselves, and they're looking for the cheapest price for them. That's it. So when the insurance company tells you to go to a specific body shop, I recommend you say thank you, but no thank you. I'm going to pick my own. You do some homework, and you take care of that thing that you're going to put your wife and kids or your husband and kids in and go do 75 miles an hour down expressway and take care of it, make sure it's repaired properly, and that you're all going to be safe when you're going down the highway. So, Mythbuster, are body shops equal? No, they're not. Do your research, do the homework, and here's a really good idea. Do it before you need it. If you're on the side of the road with an accident and your car's not drivable, no time then to be doing research. So, good idea to have this information stowed away someplace in a glove box, and at that point, you can have the information right at hand on who you're going to call. So, you're not going to call Ghostbusters, even though this is a Mythbusters. You're going to call the shop that you've already done the research on. Thanks. Do the homework because it'll pay off in the end.